Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Eco Wishes sweater. So this sweater comes in all sorts of different colors. This one in particular is dark green and the print on here is super intricate and really nice. Down here at the sleeves, we have a little pocket or like a little thing for your thumb, like that. On the bottom, there's a little place for your hands, and then just all around same pattern everywhere. So let me go ahead and try it on. So here's the neckline. You can zip it up if you would like. I actually have this in the orange and it fits a little bit looser than this one and actually is a little bit longer as well. So all of these have like slight variation, even though it's the same exact size, same exact company, but sometimes there are slight variations to it. So this one is just a little bit smaller than I would say small, but it still fits where it's supposed to fit. So for more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, let me know what you think about this sweater. There's a link to purchase it below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.